Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. Welcome back to Trendy Nails and Hairs, the channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in hairs and nails fashion. And in this video today, there is no exception because I have carefully selected the best and most trendy charms acrylic nails for you, my gorgeous queens. So in order for you to enjoy this video, please watch to the end. And as you watch, kindly support my channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and also feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. And at the end of the video, you can go down to my comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video or my channel in general. In case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types and hairs inclusively. Thank you as you do that. I also appreciate my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and engaging. Trust me, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you so much. So ladies, I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.